Friends, welcome back to Satya and Sanam. It's been so long since I have uploaded a video. I'm so sorry for that. In this video, we are going to prepare a weekend special chicken biryani. If you're new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you like my videos, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and families. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Take a kadai, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. To that add 4 medium sized onion to it. Fry the onions on low flame till the onions become crispy and brown. Keep on stirring the onions so that they don't get burnt. You need to keep frying the onions for about maximum 4 to 5 minutes. At this stage our onion is done. Now take 1 kg of chicken, wash it well. To this chicken we are going to add masalas. I am adding 300 grams of curd. To that add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add half tablespoon of turmeric powder. To this add 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Add 1 tablespoon of chicken powder. Add half tablespoon of jeera powder and add 5 tablespoon of biryani masala powder. Add few coriander leaves. Add the fried onions. Now mix the masalas and the chicken very well. Now leave the chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes so that it's get marinated well. Now take a pressure cooker, add water to it. To this add salt. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Let it give a boil. At this stage I am adding 4 cups of rice. You can take any rice of your choice. Cook the rice till it's 90% cooked. Now take a pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil to it. To the marinated chicken add teaspoon of salt. Once the oil is heated, add 2 chilli, 2 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon, 2 clove and 1 elaichi. At this stage add the chicken to it. Cook the chicken on low flame for about 7 to 10 minutes. Keep mixing the chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee to it. Close the chicken and cook the meat for about 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. Now you can see that our rice is cooked well. By the time our chicken is also cooked, now we are going to mix our chicken and rice together. At this stage we are going to drain the water from the rice and let it cool for some time. Now our chicken is cooked. Now we are going to take 1 tablespoon of ghee in a cooker. We are going to place the chicken, rice, coriander leaves and onions layer by layer. Our chicken layer is done. Above that we are going to place the rice. Layer it uniformly. Above the rice add coriander leaves and fried onions. You can also add pudina to it. Above this we are going to give second layer of chicken. Repeat the steps as you have done previously. Now we are going to add the rice layer. Spread it uniformly. Now again add the coriander leaves and the remaining onions. You can also add saffron if you have. I am adding the remaining masalas over the top. Now you can close the cooker and pressure cook it for 1 whistle, not more than that. Now our chicken biryani is ready to serve. Spread it in a bowl. You can see how well the chicken is cooked. Now you can serve it with raita and some chicken. Please try out the recipe at home and let me know your comments in the comment section. Until that, take care. Bye bye.